Good afternoon, students. In today's lab session, let us construct the Hartley oscillator. Hartley oscillator is an LC oscillator which is widely used in radio receiver as local oscillator. To construct Hartley oscillator, we require for resistors, transistor used is BC107, VCC supply source of 12 volts. Then to observe the waveform, we use a digital storage oscilloscope. The Hartley oscillator has mainly two parts. The first part is an RC coupled amplifier, and the second part is a feedback network which consists of an LC phase shifter. The feedback network, also called tank circuit, consists of two inductors L1 and L2 connected parallel to a capacitor. So this figure shows the circuit diagram of Hartley oscillator. The diagram has two parts. First part is an inverting amplifier. It is an RC coupled amplifier. And the second part is the phase shift network. It consists of two inductors and a capacitor. So the circuit is pre-designed. We have used BC107 transistor. As you can see, voltage divider bias is used in this circuit, and the working can be like this. When the power supply is switched on, the transistor starts conducting and the collector current starts rising. As a result, the capacitor C starts charging, and when it is fully charged, it starts discharging through inductance L1, and L1 is inductively coupled to L2. When the capacitor gets fully discharged, it starts charging again. This cycle continues and produces oscillations in the tank circuit. Since the junction between the two inductors are grounded, the voltage across L2 is 180 degree out of phase with the voltage across L1. The voltage across L2 is fed back to the base of the transistor through the coupling capacitor C1. The transistor amplifies and produces itself 180 degree phase shift. So the total phase shift of 360 degrees is introduced in a round trip, and the input to the transistor is always in phase. So this is positive feedback. The phase difference can be either 0 or integral multiples of 360 degrees as per the Barkhausen criterion. We have used 55 millihenry as inductance L1 plus L2, and the capacitance value is 0.47 microfarad. The frequency of oscillation is given by 1 by 2 pi into root of L1 plus L2 into C. We have taken L as L1 plus L2. So the circuit is wired as per the diagram. A pre-designed RC coupled amplifier we have constructed, and at the output for positive feedback we are using a phase shift network consisting of 2 inductors and 1 capacitor. For simplicity, we are selecting a center tapped solenoid, and the common point is earth, and it is fed back. Voltage across inductor L2 is fed back to the input coupling capacitor. Okay students, now the Hartley oscillator circuit is complete. Now let us apply power to the circuit. Switch on the power supply. So you are getting oscillations, sinusoidal oscillations on the DSO. The frequency of oscillation indicated is 1043 Hz, and the voltage per division on channel 1 is 2 volt. So the inductance L equal to L1 plus L2 equal to 55 millihenry. The capacitance value C equal to 0.47 microfarad. The frequency of oscillations is given by F equal to 1 by 2 pi into root of LC. So this is 1 by 2 into 3.14 into root of 55 into 10 raised to minus 3 into the C value 0.47 into 10 raised to minus 6. So this is how much hertz. So this on calculation we get 990.4 hertz. So students, in today's lab session we constructed a basic oscillator, which is the Hartley oscillator. We measured the output frequency experimentally and compared with the calculated value, and it is found they are in good agreement. In the upcoming session we shall be doing experiment on Colpitts oscillator. Thank you.